Now, the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha began today with the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected MPs. In the 18th Lok Sabha, the NDA holds a majority with 293 seats, of which the BJP has 240 seats. The opposition India bloc is 234, with Congress holding 99 of them.
संसद का ये गठन भारत के सामान्य मानवीय के संकल्पों की पूर्ति का है। नए उमंग, नए उत्साह के साथ नई गति, नई ऊंचाई प्राप्त करने के लिए ये अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण अवसर है।
The session kick-started on a rough note. The opposition sharpened its knives to corner the government over the appointment of B. Mehtab as the pro-tem speaker. Historically, the pro-tem speaker is the senior-most member of the House who administers the oath to newly elected members and also oversees the proceedings until a permanent speaker is elected. The opposition protested against the government for ignoring 8-term MP K. Suresh to head the oath-taking process. Speaking on the issue, K. Suresh accused the government of violating the convention of the lower house of the Indian Parliament. As part of the protest, the MPs of the India bloc decided not to assist the pro-tem speaker during the oath-taking ceremony of the MPs. Speaking of the session, the Lok Sabha speaker will be elected on the 26th of June. On the 27th of June, President Draupadi Murmu will address the joint sitting of both the houses, and the debate on the motion of thanks to the President's address will begin on the 28th of June. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to respond to the debate on the 2nd of July. The alleged paper leak in NEET UG and UGC NET will likely dominate the first session. The opposition has said that it will put pressure on the centre to ensure justice for students. Both the houses are expected to go into a brief recess on the 3rd of July and to reassemble on the 22nd of July for the presentation of the union budget. All right, to get us more details on this, we're now being joined by our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. Thank you so much for joining us on the phone line, Siddhant. What can you tell us? Of course, as I mentioned, the pro-tem speaker, that is something because of which the session started on a rough note. What can you tell us?
Well, next 2 weeks will be all about domestic politics here in India. As you pointed out, the first day of the 18th Lok Sabha, that's the new Lok Sabha, has started. And next 2 days, we'll see the oath-taking ceremony. We have seen the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his oath-taking ceremony in the Parliament. He, of course, made remarks before the Parliament session started and called on opposition to play a constructive role, even as we saw the opposition protesting and saying that they need to save the Constitution. Now, essentially, the pro-tem speaker, with something that you pointed out as well, has been appointed. He will be the interim speaker for next 2 days. But on after next 2 days, we will see the new speaker being appointed, and then there will be the Indian president laying out the statement, which is basically a government statement, and lays out the policies of the government for the entire session and also the next 5 years. Now, essentially, this is something that is the protocol development that is expected to see. But this time, if we talk about politically, it will be a pretty significant session, given that we have a very strong opposition this time. We have a government which is a coalition government. BJP could not garner full majority, and it is getting its support from its key allies. So essentially, how the politics will play, a stronger opposition is given likely to raise issues, whether it is the recent exam issue or whether it is the China issue as well. Over foreign policy, we know the opposition in the past has been raising about the situation with China.
Right. Well, all right, Siddhant, thank you so much for getting us the latest on this. We'll, of course, continue to track all key developments on that front closely. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.